Mom! The trees are so tall!
Yes, Jack. We are in the big forest.
The air is very fresh here.
I love the forest. Where is our hotel?
We do not have a hotel today.
Oh! Where do we sleep?
We sleep in a tent.
Yes, exactly. Like a small house.
Is it easy to build a tent, Dad?
Yes, Jack. It is very easy.
Do you want the instruction book, Tom?
No, thank you. I am an expert.
Oh no! The tent fell down!
Help! It is dark in here.
Tom? Are you okay? Let me help you.
Yes, I am okay. But I am stuck.
Thank you, Zoe. Maybe we need the book.
We need wood for the fire tonight. Look for dry sticks on the ground.
I will help! I can find wood!
I see a big stick. Look over here.
Good job, Jack. Put it in the bag. The forest is very big. Do animals live here?
Yes. Many animals live in the forest.
I am brave. I want to see a bear.
I hope we don't see a bear.
Mom, wait.
What is it, Jack? What is it, Jack?
What is that noise? Listen. Look! 2 big eyes in the bush. Right there. It is a bear. I am scared.
Don't be scared, Jack. Look closely. Look! It is not a bear. It is a squirrel.
Oh, a squirrel. Hello, little squirrel.
See? You are safe. Let's go back to camp. Wow, Tom! The tent is beautiful.
Yes. The book was very helpful.
We have wood, Dad.
Perfect. I will make a fire now.
You did it, Dad!
Yes. Making a fire is easy for me now.
I am hungry. What is for dinner?
We have hot dogs.
Cook 'em on the fire, Jack.
It smells so good.
And we have dessert. Look, look.
Marshmallow! Marshmallows. This is delicious. Mmm.
Yes. Food outside is always good.
Look up at the sky.
The moon is so bright tonight.
The forest is very quiet.
No bears. Only squirrels.
It is late. Time to sleep, boys.
Okay. I am tired now.
Good night, Dad. Good night, Mom.
Good night. Sleep well.